Hey guys, so you may be wondering how to get your LLC today, like right now, like you have the time and you want to get it started. This is exactly the video to click. I'm glad you found me. And by the end of this video, you will have your LLC filed. It's that easy and we'll be done in about 10 minutes. So if you want to like time yourself, set it on your phone, 10 minutes, let's get into it. You guys, this is not a difficult process. You can get your business started immediately. The only thing holding you back right now is yourself because this process is too easy to get your LLC filed. So if you guys want to follow along, let's just do it. Let's get started. The link is in the description below and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is a Taylor Brands website. This is how we are going to do our LLC in 10 minutes or less. And let's go. So start by clicking a state. I'm just going to click Alabama because it was the first one. But again, whatever state that you're in, click that state. And now you're going to type in your business name. And you're going to click what applies to you as far as the industry. For me, it's eyelash extensions. Now the next three questions, 2 or 3 questions are survey questions. So just don't stress about these. Just click what applies for you. And we found Taylor Brands through YouTube. Hit next. And we're just going to type in our information. And you guys don't worry about entering your personal information. This is just so you can get back into your account later and finish off where you started. Oopsie. Okay, guys, I told you set a timer for 10 minutes. You can see we're already at section 2 of 3. It's that simple. So congrats on getting started and let's finish it out. Okay, so an EIN number is essentially the social security number of your business, and you're going to need this when you open a business credit card, business bank account, or when you file your taxes for your business. So if you want to open an EIN number for free, there is that option. It is on the IRS website. I think it's a little bit extra work in my opinion, and I said we have 10 minutes to do this. So if you want to save some time, you can pay $99 to Taylor Brands. They will do it for you, and it's this option here. Now, every single year, you do have to renew your LLC as well, and that's no matter what state that you live in. So there is a renewal fee, but if you are worried about forgetting about it, for an additional fee, Taylor Brands will renew it for you every single year. I think it's about $199 a year, but you do not have to worry about anything. It's just going to renew for you. But if you want to save $199 a year, that's cool too. You can always click this option here. Just, do not forget about that. It's super important to renew it. And let's hit no on the branding toolkit. Okay, guys. And if you want to get your LLC immediately, you can in just one day. It's $99 extra. Or if you'd like to save some money, we can click this option here. This 14 days is for free. And your operating agreement is really great to have, especially when you have partners. So it breaks down the ownership and responsibilities of everyone involved. And let's say that later on down the line, you or your partner wants to step out or sell your portion of the business or whatever comes up, right? You always have the operating agreement to look back on and know exactly what is required from each partner. So for now, I'm going to click I'll figure it out myself. But keep in mind, you guys, all of these options, if you're not selecting them now, you can always go back in later on the Taylor Brands website and access any of this stuff. Okay, the formation kit is actually amazing, you guys. Now, let's say you're just starting your business, you don't really have anything set up yet. It's essentially a binder with all of the paperwork you will need to be organized. Like, I mean, all of it. So if you want to get right into it, super organized from the beginning, I would recommend it. It is also $99. If you don't have something set up for yourself yet, check this out. Otherwise, I would recommend get yourself a planner. Get organized right from the beginning. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, guys, we're like pretty much done. I think this was way faster than 10 minutes, but let me just show you everything here. So first start by clicking see other options. Okay, so if you would like a website created or, oops, If you would like a website created or any other help with your business, you can see these plans here, $199 a year or $249 a year. We're going to click this light plan, which does not have these things, but it's for free. So that's just what I'm going to click for today. Now, the state filing fee, this is it's different for every single state, you guys. So this is not a Taylor Brands thing. This is not any other website thing. This is literally, it goes to the Secretary of State in your state. So everyone's filing fee is a little bit different. I think Florida is around like $130 or something. Alabama, you can see, is $236. It just depends. They kind of vary from like $100 to $400. All right, and then you can see all these things here. We can unselect them if we don't want it. Want to save some money at the end, that's cool. Whatever you want to do. Now, keep in mind today, if you want to actually do your LLC today, you can pay for it right now. That's literally it. Like, we've done it all. It's that simple. After you file your LLC, then they will file your EIN number. So first comes the LLC and then the EIN. So just keep that in mind. You're not getting both all at once. So you will see that second charge for the EIN number. Don't be surprised about it. It is correct. It's just two separate fees for it. That's it, you guys. You have filed your LLC. I feel like it can't be any simpler than that. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. There's so many videos out there that overcomplicate it, and it doesn't need to be. Like, you have enough to worry about with your business. Let's make this the fun and easy part. And yeah, I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you guys next time.